My dog, right there, is an American Staffy. His name is Rocky. He's not even one, but really cute, really intelligent, but also dumb at the same time.
Yeah, this thing will try and hump you.
Yeah, because at my little brother's birthday party, guess what?
He
This
humped
dog jumped onto Demon XqX and then started humping him. Like physically, literally. And then after the party, the dog was humping the floor.
Oh, look, there's Rheeza YT, everyone.
Hey guys! Hey,
Reese. I'm gonna help you design your own YouTube channel. I know how to do it.
Yeah, I don't have a YouTube
Yeah,
channel.
He doesn't have one yet, but he's making one today.
Yes, I'm making one today.
Hey, you're my boy. I need help with Kaya. So because I can't live stream.
Yeah, the reason why he hasn't uploaded in like a month and a week is because
I can't
he can't upload. Something's going on with
If
his
I could
YouTube
live
channel.
stream, I would live stream suck on my Doritos.
We'll be doing a live stream tonight, everyone.
Well, and
We're gonna try, guys.
Is staying up 24 hours straight.
And try.
Ah!
But
No,
Get on the trampoline! Ah! I'm being attacked!
But the video might end because that camera got down.
Oh,
Rocky.
my camera's on like I've ended the thing because I just got humped. Ow, my back, Jesus.
Holy shit!
We'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, holy crap.